going to show you how to replace the front dial kit on your SaeboStep. So I've got my original SaeboStep, the replacement dial, Allen key and 4 little screws that come in your pack. First step is to remove the 4 screws in each of the corners on the plastic fascia. So just using your Allen key to do that. You can keep these as spares. Number 2. Number 3, and then the final one. And then that will allow you to remove the whole system. Then you're going to get your replacement dial. Just make sure that the cords are coming out the front of it. You're going to fit it back on again and then put the 4 screws in each corner tightly. Bottom one. Third one. And the final one. That's how you replace the dial on your SaeboStep.